The hornbills are a very diverse group of birds found across Asia and Africa, with their most notable characteristic being their long curved bills. These birds are well known for the males in particular sporting magnificent casques on their heads, which between different hornbill species can take a variety of forms. The largest of the forest hornbills is the great hornbill, a species found across southern and southeast Asia with distinct white flight feathers as well as a yellow-orange casque and upper mandible. Like many hornbills, they are omnivores, feeding on fruits, insects, and also various reptiles and small mammals. Their beaks are so long that they cannot swallow food caught at the beak's tip, and so they will throw their heads back, letting the food fall back to their throats. A majority of species are monogamous, like the oriental pied hornbill, forming a strong bond that can last many years, even being a pair that will mate for life. This strong bond carries a great level of trust, and that is put to the test when it comes to laying their eggs. This female has developed eggs, and so she and her mate find a tree hollow in the forest, and the female enters and begins fashioning it into a nest, as she will be staying there for quite a long time. Her mate begins to collect mud that the pair begin to seal the tree cavity with, until only a small opening remains. This is just large enough for the male to be able to transfer food to his mate, and eventually the chicks when they hatch. If he fails to do so, the bond will be broken. As the female is stuck in here for several months, she performs a simultaneous molt of her flight feathers, as she will not be needing them. Once the eggs hatch, the male is working around the clock to deliver as much food as he can find for his female and their chicks, sometimes forcing him to fly further distances if food becomes scarce. But once it comes time that the chicks are old enough to fly, they and their mother break free from their hollow, and both parents support the chicks until they reach independence. Some hornbills even have mutualistic partnerships, such as that can be seen between the von der Decken's hornbill of East Africa with common dwarf mongooses. The mongooses dig for food, the hornbill keeps a lookout for danger, and then gets a share of the meal with the mongooses. This is my favourite group of birds, with so much diversity between the species, and the bonds within mating pairs are something to truly be admired.